in early April, 156 here. Record for the under 20 girls, 800, 2 minutes 05.90. Natoya Gould in 2008. Here's the lineup: Augustine of Haiti, Missick of Turks and Caicos, Hannah Charles of Antigua, Ashlyn Simmons, Barbados, Jova Rose, Jamaica, Amaris Pope of Trinidad and Tobago, Michelle Smith, US Virgin Islands, Sydney Rose of Jamaica, Kaylee Ford of Trinidad and Tobago, Dania Skeet, Barbados, Amaya Samuel, Grenada, Akari Roberts of the Bahamas, and Estelle Gentili of Martinique. 13 girls in this final on the 800 meters. The record has been standing since 2008. 485, Sydney Rose of Jamaica. Her sister is also in the field, Jovi Rose. Here we go. 13 for the under 20 girls 800 final. The favorite is Michelle Smith of the US Virgin Islands. Her father, the president of the USVI Athletics Federation, presented the gold medal to her last night after her 400 hurdle success. I'm sure even though she did not say it, she was a little disappointed at least that she did not get the 400 hurdles record of 56.22. But here she can get a fourth straight 800 gold medal at the Carifta Games. She has won at the under 17 level from 2022, and then she went back to back at the under 20 level, Bahamas in 2023, and last year in Grenada. It's the Jamaican Rose who leads though. Smith takes control. The Barbadian in the mix as well. Looks like Skeet. 103.71 for the first 400 meters for the defending champion. Sydney Rose, the older of the sisters, in second position for Jamaica. Down the back straight away they go. It is still the USVI's Michelle Smith who leads this final. The rest of the field battling behind her. 200 meters to go. The Jamaican second and third, the Rose sisters, trying to chase Michelle Smith. Into the straightaway they come. Michelle Smith ahead of Sydney Rose. Oh, Sydney Rose is trying to challenge her here. But Michelle Smith responds and pulls away again. One of the greats of the Carifta Games closes her individual chapter with a fourth 800 gold medal. It's been a delight to watch her over the last 4 years. She never disappoints, and she finishes with her 9th Carifta medal, 4 400 hurdles titles, and now 4 800 titles. Michelle Smith is champion again. Not as fast as she did last year, but it doesn't matter. She's the champion again, with the Jamaicans trailing in silver and bronze.
What a remarkable record this young lady has had in this competition, and adding the final chapter to her Carifta record. It was the War of the Roses for second and third, and Cindy, who would have won the gold medal in the 1500. She has gone on to take silver here. Put in a very good effort, and her sister also celebrating with her.
Silver and bronze for the Roses, but it's a golden moment for the US Virgin Islands. I wonder if her dad will present this gold medal as well. Must have been a special moment last night. Jova Rose 2 minutes 10.97 confirmed, not far outside her personal best of 2:10.54. when we go to Grenada next year for the first time in 4 years, we will not have Michelle Smith.
Yeah, she has been a great champion, and she will have a great future outside of the Carifta Games, and she has such a wealth of experience now competing in these games to take her into the future. Perhaps as a professional, we certainly hope that she will in that. And her medal, of course, the second for the U.S. Virgin Islands at these games.
She has a Pan American bronze medal in the 400 hurdles. That's at the senior level. She has been to 2 World Under 20 400 hurdles finals. 5th in Cali, Colombia in 2022, 4th last year in Peru. Her 4th place finish last year in Peru was a massive surprise because she looked all over a medalist through the qualifying rounds. Just didn't put it together in that final. But I really do believe that one day this young lady will be an Olympic and World Championship medalist. She is no stranger to hard work. She is willing to put in the work. She is a delightful interview as well. Michelle Smith. What a treat it has been to watch her compete over these years. 2 minutes 07.23 is the final time she lays down at the Carifta Games. It wins the under 20 girls 800 meters. Sydney Rose of Jamaica 208.49 for silver, and Jova Rose 210.97 for bronze, with Ashlyn Simmons of Barbados finishing 4th at 2 minutes 12.59.
What's up, viewers? How are you doing? Welcome back to the channel. Please like the video. Yeah man, here we're having a very tight and remarkable race, girls at the 2800 meters final Carifta Games 2025 in Trinidad and Tobago, where we are seeing the ragged Michelle Smith of the US Virgin Island bringing the curtain down on a storied Carifta Games career in a style, claiming her 4th consecutive 800-meter title with a composed and dominant run in the under 20 girls final at the 52nd edition of the championships in Trinidad and Tobago. Michelle Smith, who had already won the 400 meters hurdle in the meet, showcased her trademark strength and poise in the 2-lap final, closing the line in 2 minutes 07.23 seconds to hold off a strong challenge. She got a very strong challenge from Jamaican Cidelos, who took silver in 2 minutes 08.49 seconds. Jamaicans Jofilos secured bronze in 2 minutes 10.97 seconds. And guys, it was such a very impressive track and field event. 800 meters girls at the 20 final at Carifta Games in Trinidad and Tobago. And guys, Michelle Smith win in this race 800 meter. And remember, Michelle Smith is from US Virgin Island. Closes her Carifta career with a remarkable legacy, capturing her 4th 800-meter gold in many years, while simultaneously establishing herself as one of the most decorated middle distance runner in the men's history. Remember, this was her last race, because next year she will be over 20. She will be 21 years old, and with that disqualifies her from participating. Her versatility across the 400-meter handle and 800-meter continues to draw attention from the Caribbean region and international globally observers. She is not a joke. And now she is out to compete with Jamaicans, young athletes, the likes of Arana Reid, Tia Clinton, Brianna, all those. Now they are the one that she's gonna be competing with. And guys, I want to congratulate all the ladies participating in this great race. Moreover, our Jamaican girls, Cidelos, who secured silver, she really tried. And Jofilos, as you can see, this race was so impressive. And they really fought for it. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much for your precious time. Kindly like the video, comment. Please, if possible, and this is my prayer to you, share this video to as many people as possible. Share to your platform, your X account, your Facebook. Just copy the link and share to many people so that they can also enjoy. If you have not yet subscribed, kindly consider doing so. Subscribe to this creating and amazing family. Bye bye for now.